In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to go ahead and open up TikTok in order to do this, and go to your profile by selecting the profile icon down in the bottom right corner. From here, tap the three lines up in the top right and it's going to open up a little menu page. It looks like this. Select settings and privacy down at the very bottom, and then from here find the account settings on here. So select account. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and scroll all the way down at the very bottom right down here and select deactivate or delete account. It's then going to take you to a page that looks something like this. We need to select delete account permanently. It's going to ask you a quick little survey like, why are you deleting your account? Just say, I'm on TikTok too much, for example, right? Which isn't a lie, let's be honest, right? But essentially from here, just go ahead and hit continue. And then of course, once you go ahead and do that, just follow the prompts on screen, confirm, and then your account will be scheduled for deletion. And if you do cancel it within 30 days, just by logging back in, it won't be deleted. So just don't log in for 30 days and it will now be permanently deleted. And that is it. That's the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.